Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen, Norway. Today we're gonna make a video to show you guys how to use this Norway Q5 laminator to laminate this iPhone 6s screen. Normally we have done those videos for Edge, for all the edges actually. We have done so many of those videos, but today I'm gonna make a video for flat one for this iPhone because most of our customers, they're gonna use this machine for Edge and also for iPhone. iPhone is very big quantity, so we're gonna show you what's the result if you use this machine to do the whole process. So first thing, we're gonna introduce you what we're gonna use during this in this video, the whole process. Of course, we're gonna need this is the motherboard. Actually, this is my cell phone. I just broke my own screen, so I'm gonna refurbish to repair my own screen. So this is the motherboard, this is the screen without broken glass, because we already took off the broken glass and also the polarizer, because that was so easy when we have done so many times in our videos. So in this video I won't repeat. So this is already cleaned and also already took off everything. So this is the glass, front glass we're gonna use, and this is the polarizer, this is Olga film. So this is the mold we're gonna use during the whole process, and this is the rubber for Olga. So this is for LCD. Those are those pieces for. So later you're gonna see how we're gonna use this whole mold. And this is the cleaning cloth. This is the contact cleaner, and also we're gonna use this light for checking the dust. Also we're gonna need the strong sticker. And this is the machine. This is the one we're gonna use to do the whole process. So firstly, I'm gonna also explain to you a little bit about the whole process or how we're gonna do this. We're gonna do in 3 steps. So the step 1, we're gonna laminate or apply this Olga, this front glass. The step 2, we're gonna apply this polarizer on this front glass. So after that, we're gonna laminate this front glass on this screen. So this is like 3 steps. So now let's get started. Step 1, I'm gonna use this base. So first is Olga. Apply this one on this front glass. What we're gonna need, this is the we're gonna need this one. Check. This is the word put here in Chinese. But check this one. We're gonna corner is on this side, okay? And this is the rubber. There are 2 sides. Matte. This is the I guess call this shiny one. Shiny side. So make sure every side goes into the mold. And now it's Olga. We're gonna find a piece that says Olga. Take off this part, and you put like this. Check, right? To make sure every side is. You should follow the step. Check. See the same corner, because we cut on every mold. You're gonna say that all the cut is on the same angle. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this strong sticker. Actually, we're gonna do a little bit trick here. Check. You can leave it like this. Okay, it will be okay. And this is the actually this is the sticker that we put for the we cover the logo here. So you have to take it off. You have to take it out. You can clean a little bit to make sure. So this here, it's a little bit okay. Because normally when we send to another country, we have to cover a little bit. So make sure our customer they don't have any problems with this logo problem. Now as you can see, this is ready. Okay, corner here. So I'm gonna take off here and then take off the protective film. I'm gonna laminate. So let's say here, here. Okay, let's put inside. Normally we put like this side. Let's put in the middle. Now let's explain a little bit, because now let's say the language. We have 8 different languages. This is Deutsch, and this is Ruski, this is Thai, this is Español, Francais, this is Portuguese, English, and this is Chinese. We have 8 different languages, but we're gonna use English for the demonstration. And this machine, we have 2 parts. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply Olga, so we're gonna use this part. So later we're gonna use this part for LCD. So firstly, we're gonna set these parts. If we're gonna laminate Olga, we're gonna put Olga. So if you see here is Olga, then here's the this part. We have manual, we have automatic. Now we need automatic. You just press this button. If you see this is green, then it's automatic mode. The parameter, let's say we set for 10 seconds for this pressing time, vacuum time is 50, temperature is 40. So we go back. The pressure actually for this Olga, the iPhone one, the flat one, we set for 0.4. Actually, let's check this clearly. This is 0.4. Actually, for this curve one, we're gonna use for 0.5. We're gonna increase 0.10, something like this. It's just a reference for you guys. Now everything's ready. The pressure, time, everything's ready. Automatic for all say. Then press this button. Actually, we set for 50 seconds. It will, let's say, in 20 seconds. No, not 20, even not 20. It's like 15 or something. Now the vacuum is already minus 101.3. But we set for 50. Let's make it longer. Then we won't have any bubble problem. Normally, if you use another machine, because some people they're using all-in-one, they have very small pump inside, don't even reach this minus 101.3. That's why sometimes you have bubbles. And also a lot of them they tell me they want to use this all-in-one machine for edge. I don't recommend you guys to do the edge with this all-in-one machine, because the vacuum and the pressure is not enough for edge. It's only for flat one. Okay, now let's see the result. Take off this part. Do we use this one to let them see this? I'm gonna clean it a bit, let you guys see this clearly. Can you see this clearly? Can you see this clearly? Okay. So the second step, we're gonna first step, I'm gonna do as what I did before. I'm gonna put a strong sticker around the corner. Just change another one. It's very strong, huh? This one is very strong. Okay. let's put 2 here. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna put 2 here. Let's see now how it works. Okay, now it's perfect. So sometimes you just need to find out a solution. You have to find out a solution for this. Check now, perfect. Now with the polarizer, you have to be very careful, man. Very careful. The same mode. Actually, I'm gonna put the sticker on it. You're gonna do actually. You're gonna do like this. There are 2 sides. This side is, there is a line on it. This is clear. This is not that clear. So the clear side is down. Clear side is down. So let's make sure it's on the middle. See, it's on there. Let's say okay, do like this. Okay. Now this is second. This is step 2. Step 2, gonna take off the polarizer. We're gonna take off this part. Let's say, make sure. Okay. Same setting, the same setting. Okay, we don't have to change it, just the press automatic. I just repeat a little bit. You're gonna firstly apply Olga on the screen, later polarizer on the screen, not screen, on the front glass. As soon as this, we have this front glass with polarizer, we're gonna laminate the screen. This is the screen. We're gonna laminate the screen with the front glass. So this is a job that requires a lot of patience. You're gonna use contact cleaner. You're gonna use this cleaning cloth to make sure there is no dust on it. And also you can use the light that we're using to check it. So this machine is, as you can see the size, this is for any screens which is less than 11. You can put 2 pieces phone inside or 1 tablet inside. So this is for iPhone, for any flat one, for edge one, and also the for the tablet one. If any, let's say any machines works for edge, works for flat, because flat is the easiest one. There's, can we see this clearly? There is not even 1 bubble, no bubble at all. But I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. I don't know how can I let you guys see this clearly. I'm gonna clean it a bit. I'm gonna use a light. I don't know if the light helps. I just want you guys see. Can we see this clearly? Any bubbles? This is okay? Any bubble? No, this is the dust. This is dust. Dust encima. Dust on it. So I'm gonna just clean it a bit. Can you see now this clearly? No, this is not that easy. I can promise you guys, I can swear to God, there is no bubble on it. Let's see this clearly, because I said I swear to God I have to check this clearly. No bubble at all, man. No bubble at all. Okay, no bubble at all. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did before. I'm gonna put strong sticker so on this side. Okay, make sure as I did before, like this. As I said before, if one is not strong enough, you just put 2 on it. so you won't have any problem. This strong sticker is cheap, so you won't have any problem with this. Okay, now it's okay. It's ready. It's ready. I'm gonna put this, just make sure it's ready. Okay, ready to use. I'm gonna change the rubber. This red one is for screen. This red one is for screen. And the screen, I'm gonna put, this is the mode for screen. I'm gonna turn it off so you guys see this clearly. I'm gonna use this is the, can you see this clearly? Yeah, check. Okay. Firstly, we're gonna put, remember, corner. Yeah, here. Normally we're gonna do this in dust-free room, so you won't have so many dust as what we have here, because now we have the dust-free room actually here, but because we if we turn it on, you're gonna hear a lot of noisy, very noisy, not noise. That's why we didn't turn it on. We just turn it off, so now you guys see clearly. But normally if you do this inside of this dust-free room, it will be better. This is for myself, this screen, so I have to be very careful with the dust. This screen, this is my screen. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna put it inside of this machine. Now we have to see this side. Actually, for this iPhone, we set the pressure for 0.1. Let's say 0.10. 0.10 from 0.10 to 0.15. This is we set for flat one. For curve one, we suggest you set like you increase 0.10. Let's say from 0.20 to 0.25. This is for edge. This is a reference that I'm giving you. But we have to change the LCD. Let's say the parameter 50, 10, 40. Degree, this is 40 degree, 10 second pressing time, this is vacuum time. This is what we did for this LCD. If you see here is the LCD, then this is these parts. The automatic, though it's ready, just press the start button. Actually, I'm going to turn this off. Let's go up to see a little bit. This is our dust-free room. Actually, we have dust-free room. Okay, it's okay. Let's go back. But normally, because now we're doing this video, we don't want you to hear this noise. That's why we don't use it. But normally you're gonna have this working, your lab, you're gonna have this dust-free room, so you won't have so many the dust problem. It will be very easy if you work inside of this dust-free room. This machine actually has size here. This is for any screens less than 11 inches. You can put 2 pieces of this cell phone inside, or we can put 1 tablet inside. Any cell phone, flat one, edge, and tablet. So this is the good thing about this this laminator. What I can see, man. What I can see. Does say, can we see this clearly from different angle? There is no bubble at all. No bubble at all. So if you cannot see this clearly, I'm gonna use these lights. Can we see this clearly? Let's put it here. From which angle can we see this very clear? Can we see this like this? There is no bubble. Let's check it. Every corner. There is no bubble at all. No bubble at all. So that means with this machine, it comes out without any bubble. So you don't even need a bubble remover. But I always suggest you have a bubble remover just in case sometimes you have one bubble to say. But even though it's not 100%, but in most of the times you're gonna have the screen without any bubble, I mean flat one. For the edge one, sometimes you have very small tiny bubble on the corner, very small one. With this machine, you can have very small bubbles on the corner. That's why for edge, sometimes you need a bubble remover. But for iPhone, for flat one, most of the time, I say more than 90%, 95%, you don't even have any bubbles on it. Okay, this is the something good about this machine. Very good quality as well. So now we're gonna leave this this here. We're gonna test. We're gonna test it, make sure it works perfect. Let's see how it works. It takes a long time. This is my own phone. This is my cell phone. I just broke the screen, the glass. Now I have to replace myself. It seems like I have to change a new one. It takes a long time. Oh, be careful. Okay. Because that's my password. I don't want everybody to know that's my so many. Yeah. It's okay. Perfect. That's it. That's it, man. Works perfect. This is perfect. Okay, Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, you can leave us the comment on this on YouTube, or you can just write us or call us, because we can have a number on the video below the subtitle. You can find us easily. And if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And I just want to repeat, this machine works for flat one like iPhone, Samsung flat one, and also for Samsung Edge, any other Edge, and also the tablet. Any screen which is less than 11 inches, this machine can work on it perfectly. So don't worry about some of them you see just for Edge. No, this is for all the screens less than 11 inches, and you can have very good results finish with this machine. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.